but I thought it was cool to combine Discord and ChatGPT or whatever AI model I use. Boom! So first of all, we need to have the Discord port up and running. And this is the part where all programmers love. That is to read a guide, the documentation, and do what the ethical programmer usually does. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to introduce to you my Discord bot, and his name is Gunnar. Gunnar here will be helping us today creating the images that we want. But first, he is still offline or dead. And to do that, we need to go to the best part, which is coding. Yeah, the part where everyone loves. So basically, we have these bunch of cool codes. It's putting the commands into the Discord bot and have it up and running. The code may look very cool, but to be honest, I just copy-pasted most of it and adjusted a little bit from the guide. So yeah, let's just get into action. Boop. Here we can see that our Gunnar is ready to go. If we go back to the Discord, now I'm just gonna do a simple command with echo.
Hello there.
Well, that's a simple part since it's only one command which is saying hi back to you. But the problem here is that we want to generate images. Well, this echo command is just a simple command that replies with what your input to the bot is. But what we are trying to achieve here is so much more, which is generating the image and integrating it with AI. Okay, so we have 4 main sections for the overall project. The first one is getting the Discord bot up and running, which we already did. So technically, we are already halfway there. But guess what? You're wrong. Because I have no idea on how image generation works. After lots and lots of research, I came up upon Stable Diffusion API and image generation models from websites like Civit AI. So just to be brief, they technically are pre-trained models that can generate image for you. They could create any images basically until the model and AI decides to shit the bed and gives you deformed and disturbing images. There are a lot of models to choose from, and for the purpose of my video, I just took the most compatible one to my purpose. Yoink! Step 2, baby! Alright, now that we got the image generation model, we just need to run it locally and we can generate those AI images. Like those AI art posts on Twitter, and delete the art community with my cool AI images. So the tool that I'm using is called Stable Diffusion, which is pretty simple to use. You just give it prompts and tweak some settings, and it will give you back the images that you want. Well, sometimes it doesn't give me back the image that I want, but you get the idea. Let's do a demo test run for generating the image. Now just a bit of disclaimer, I'm running this on my old ass laptop and it's slow. And the better your graphic card is, the faster it is. God, I wish I had a 4090. We got the Discord bot, and we got the image generation model. Now what's left is to combine them and get Gunnar up and running. It sounds pretty simple, but of course, we have to learn more API and more coding, which I'm going to cut it all because you guys don't want to see that. And of course, that's not what we are here for. We are here for Gunnar to create our own anime library dungeon. Sorry, that was not the real plan, of course. It's so that we can create cool anime images, right? Okay, so now with some editing magic, we have the code done. And what this code does is basically it's trying to send an API call to my local machine with all the parameters. Now here, we can simply run the slash command to make Gunnar run the image generation process. Now let's say for example I want a cute anime girl.
A few moments later.
Alright, there we have it. Now of course I've added some limiting parameters such as the not safe for work in a negative prompt to filter it out for obvious reasons. But you can remove that filter if you're interested in trying your own. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, please like or subscribe, I guess. And I'll see you guys in